Ever wished you could bring your words to life on screen? Let's dive into Adobe After Effects and learn how to craft captivating text frames to elevate your video projects. First up, let's create a new composition. Head to the composition menu up top and select New Composition. Here you will choose the specifications of your video, which are going to dictate the size and other features. Select your video settings and click OK. Now, let's find the text tool. It is in the top toolbar along with other tools and is represented by T. Click on the T for Type tool to activate it. Now, click anywhere within your composition window. This will create a text layer. You can now type anything you desire. You are free to experiment with the text feature options. With your text layer selected, find the character panel. If you don't see it on display, go to Window and choose Character. This panel is your design hub. Here, you can easily change the font, size, and style of your text. Now, let's add some color. Click on the color swatch in the character panel to open the color picker. Experiment with your favorite colors, choose your own, and hit OK when you are ready. To add the animations, select your text layer and head over to your timeline panel. Click the little drop-down arrow next to your text layer. Under text, you'll find an animate where you can experiment and see which styles work best for your project. Select an animation to give a little excitement to your text. Play with the duration and see what works best. And there you have it. You have created your custom text frame and you can add it to your video. Remember to experiment, play around, and have fun. Now go create some awesome text animations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more video editing tips.